Hello and welcome to Rail and Rail Enthusiast and another one in our series of the top 10 least used stations in Merseyside. And today I'm at number 9 on the list, Thatto Heath. The map shows Thatto Heath on the Liverpool to Wigan City line, the stations of St Helens Central and Eccleston Park being to the east and west respectively. The station was opened in 1871, the same time as the line, and is set within a very slight cutting. Extensive research as of yet yielded no other significant history surrounding the station, so if you know any different, please comment below. I and others would be very interested to read about the history of this station. It is located in the area of St Helens, and a notable claim to fame is that Thatto Heath is the birthplace of Johnny Vegas. As far as the station is concerned, you can see it is very picturesque, with stone walling which does seem to be very well looked after. A small ticket office exists, and this does seem quite old, but again I cannot find out whether this was the original location of a station building or not. At time of filming, passenger services are provided by Class 319 and Class 331 electric multiple units. Although the trains are provided by Northern, the station is covered with Merseyrail branding. There are plenty of information posters, including some about the local area. It's always nice to see original examples of signage, and this one is down towards platform 1. On platform 1, on the side of the station building, you'll find this handy network map, as well as a help point. There is also a panel displaying leaflets, although at the time of my visit it could do with a little bit of updating. Just along the platform you will find a waiting shelter, as well as this electronic ticketing machine. A very nice touch is this dog bowl for the dog traveller. As we move over onto platform 2, you will see some more information posters as you make your way down to the platform. And on the platform you will find a bike rack, another help point, and also a further electronic ticketing machine. Although there are no catering facilities at this station, just a short walk away, there is this fantastic cafe which provides you with hot and cold food and beverages. The statistics for Thatto Heath are that it opened in 1871, it currently has 1 train per hour off peak in both directions with additional services at peak times, and the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 157,572. Thatto Heath is a very pretty railway station, and it's a shame there's no real history I could find on the internet. The stone walls that are around the station really give it some character, and the fact that it is fully accessible is a bonus. For the enthusiast, sightlines are pretty good. The overall ambience of the station makes for some fantastic photography, although being near a major road, videography can be a bit noisy. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And if you can, get out there, get on the railway and see where it takes you. Thanks very much for watching.